Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, get to know me, because I definitely want to get to know you. So I have BoxyCharm or Ipsy or BoxyCharm, or I don't even know. I think it's BoxyCharm by Ipsy. This is my paid box. There's so much wrong with this. I can't. All right, so here's the box. It doesn't say anything about BoxyCharm, although when you open it up, you get this, which says BoxyCharm by Ipsy. In here, I'm guessing it tells you a little bit about the products. I don't know if it will give you prices. I don't think it does. I don't think my PR box did either. What is this talking about? This is not information about what's in this box. This is information about the new icon box. Scratch that. There is no information about these products at all whatsoever. But I do have some opinions. You guys ready? Okay, so here we go. No prices. Now, let's talk about Saturday Skin. This here is the Carrot and Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. So I tried this. I tried all the products and I was not happy. This here, great cream, but it leaves a residue. So don't put makeup on over it because guess what? It comes off. Yeah. So I don't have a price. Usually their stuff's around $30. I will show you what the jar looks like. It's a pretty jar. I do like their packaging. I don't remember what type of scent it has. Just something kind of clean. But I am going to try it at nighttime because I got it and see, you know, obviously overnight it might make a difference. I don't want to have to worry about the residue because I'm washing it off in the morning. Okay, now this is by far the worst product I think I have ever gotten. And I don't mean to be like a Debbie Downer. I just used it and I was frustrated. This is an eye primer. It's by VC Collection. It is the stickiest eye primer ever. It doesn't move. So once you put it on, and maybe you can do it for a cut crease, it's not moving after that. This is what it looks like. It stayed very, very sticky. For me, it did. It felt like it was smoothing things out, but then I went ahead and put the eyeshadow over it and I got a blotchy mess. Okay, this eyeshadow palette, nope. I'm gonna show you. Let's just take a color because I had it on my eyes and then I had to actually take it off and put it over this primer right here. It just kind of sticks to it and then it does not move. So you end up with patchiness. And I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but as you can see, once it's down and it doesn't want to blend. That's the problem that I had. Now I did try this eyeshadow palette again today with an eyeshadow primer that I liked, and I wound up having to pull out an Urban Decay palette because it was not blending. So I love Natasha Denona, but this palette, although it's gorgeous, did not work at all. Okay, moving on to the lip product I got. Shades by Shan. This here. It's a pretty color. I've been really into a natural lip lately, just putting on some type of clear gloss. Here it is here. I'll go ahead and show you. It's got like a satiny kind of finish, and it's definitely pretty. There it is there. Okay, the last product, which I like, by Purlisse. This here is the Yuzu and Orange Exfoliator. This here just kind of brightens up the skin a little bit, and it does a quick exfoliation. This is the best product out of this entire box, and this is Purlisse. I wouldn't be expecting to say this, but this is the one I like. Again, I don't have prices, and I don't know that I'll be able to find prices on the Ipsy site. The Ipsy site has not even been working for me. So Ipsy, get it together. I do want to know what you guys think. You guys have gotten your boxes. It's past the middle of the month now. So let me know if you had any of the problems that I had with this stuff. If you did, would you let me know down in the comments? Let's just recap so I can show you everything once again. The Saturday Skin, the Natasha Denona palette, the Shade by Shan's lipstick, the eye primer, and the Purlisse exfoliator. That's everything that was in my box. Tell me, what you think down in the comments below. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. I wish I had more great stuff to say, but I don't. Not this time. I am hoping that my next paid box is completely different, and we'll see what happens there. I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.